Hello parents, welcome back to Kids A to Z. Today I am going to share some English worksheets on articles. Let us discuss the uses of a, an and the in short. We use a, an and the before nouns. They are called articles. We use a and an before singular nouns. We use a when the noun begins with the consonant sound like a cow, a unicorn. Please notice the beginning sound of cow and beginning sound of unicorn, that is consonant sound. We use an when the noun begins with a vowel sound. Example, an honest man. Here beginning sound is o. So here we will use an honest man. Similarly, an apple. Here is another rule. If there are other words between the article and the noun, then look for the sound at the beginning of the word that comes after the article. If it is a consonant, use a, and if it is a vowel, then use an. Like a big fat elephant. Here the noun is elephant, but before that two words are there. One is big and another is fat. So here we need to check the beginning sound of big, and it starts with a consonant sound. So here we will use a, that is a big fat elephant. Similarly, an ugly building, an orange cap. We use the with a noun that we have already spoken about once. Example, I saw a black car. The car was empty. Here we have already spoken about the car. So in the next sentence we use the. The car was empty. The is also used before the names of rivers, holy books and famous buildings like the Yamuna, the Quran, like that. We also say the earth, the sky, the moon, the sun, like this. Our first worksheet is write a or an to complete the sentences. First one is Lily put dash egg in dash pot of boiling water. Answer is Lily put an egg in a pot of boiling water. For question number 2, answer is we saw a zebra and an elephant at the zoo. Question number 3, my father baked dash chocolate cake for us. Here kids need to write a. Question number 4, Sunny helped dash old man carry his bags. Answer is an. Question number 5, Pankaj is dash honest boy. Answer is an. Question number 6, Lima lives in dash igloo. Answer is an. Question number 7, dash old woman baked dash big pancake. Answer is an old man and then a big pancake. Question number 8, Ritu said, please give me dash plate and dash spoon. Here in both the places kids need to write a. Question number 9, Mr. Bora is carrying dash umbrella. Answer is an. Next worksheet, use the correct article before each of the following words and write them in the correct column. Here some words are given in the box and kids need to put the words in the correct box. Like for Bible, they need to write Bible under the. Then car under a. Then egg under an. Then book under a. Story under a. Then ice cream, orange, umpire under an. Then Mahabharata under the. Apple under an. Vegetable under a. Ganges under the. Hour under an. Unicorn under a. Kaveri under the, and utensil under a. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. First question, dash peacock is dancing in my garden. Answer is a. Question number 2, Raja eats dash egg every day. Answer is an. Question number 3, dash earth goes around dash sun. Answer is the earth goes around the sun. Question number 4, there is dash blue clock in my classroom. Answer is A. Question number 5, dash boy is going to the zoo. Dash boy has a bag. For the first blank, the answer is A, and for the second one, the answer is the. Question number 6, dash Taj Mahal is made of white marble. Answer is the. Question number 7, there is dash telephone in Mr. Sinday's room. Dash telephone is ringing. For the first blank, answer is A, and for the second blank, answer is the. Question number 8, Sarita bought dash multicolored umbrella from the shop. Answer is A. Next worksheet, tick the sentences in which the article are used correctly. So the first question is option A, I packed an sandwich and a apple for lunch. And second option is I packed a sandwich and an apple for lunch. Here we can see the second sentence is correct. So here beside this sentence, kids need to put the tick mark. Question number 2, option A, Rohit bought a red shirt and Ronnie bought a blue one. Option B, Rohit bought an red shirt and Ronnie bought an blue one. Here option A is correct. Question number 3, a octopus is hiding under a rock in the sea. Option B, an octopus is hiding under a rock in the sea. Here option B is correct. Question number 4, option A, Akhil bought a ice cream and Sonali bought a mango bar. Option B, Akhil bought an ice cream and Sonali bought a mango bar. Here option B is correct. Question number 5, Tamina wants to be an astronaut. Option B, Tamina wants to be an astronaut. Here correct answer is option B. That's all. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks for watching Kids A to Z.